In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper on this Volkswagen Jetta. Let's get into it. We're going to take the release handle off. You just want to take a pick or a screwdriver, just get under, there's a little tab right here. Just lift up on that. That just locks it in. Then you want to spread this. So take a straight blade screwdriver and just spread this out. And with that spread, you can separate that. So you're just trying to spread this, and there's the pin that goes through the middle there. When you get it past the pin, pull it out. You want to take some trim tools, and on both sides, just peel this up a little bit and then slide it forward. There should be some clips on the bottom and some pins in the back. Pop those up, and then the grill on the bottom should slide right up. There's a couple pins holding that on as well in those locations, so pull that off. We're going to take these bolts out, use a 10mm socket. There's one right there. Take those out. Then we're going to use a T30 socket. Take these two bolts out on the sides. And pull that out. Underneath here, you should have some fasteners, some screws, some T30 screws, or some push pins. You want to take those out. Then we're going to take this panel out. I'm just going to use a trim tool or a pick. Just get underneath here. Slide that down, and then it comes right out. Now in here, we're going to take this screw out, use a T30 socket. Do the same on the other side. We want to remove these 3 screws right here. If your vehicle has the lower ones, you want to take those out as well. This one does not have those. You can remove the wheel if you need to, but you shouldn't have to. I'm going to use a T20 socket. Take these screws out. With those screws out, you want to do the same on the other side, and then just grab the bumper and pull it out slightly and slide it forward. Do that on both sides. Before we pull that out completely, you want to disconnect the sockets for those lights. Just reach in there, pull those out, and slide the bumper off. On the back side of the bumper, if your vehicle has this air deflector, you want to take that off. It is clipped in all along the bottom. You can take a straight blade screwdriver or even some needle nose pliers and just pry this down while you're pushing it. And just release all those clips and push it out, and then you can take it off. On this center grill, it's going to be the same thing. You're going to have a couple clips. Just take a pocket screwdriver, fold these down, just like that. And that lower grill comes out. To take the side markers off, just take a trim tool, just get on the back side right here. Just want to pry it out carefully. And it slides right out, just like that. Now take the light. You can see the back side has a tab and a spring. It's going to go in first over here. And line it up and just push it in. Now just line up the lower grill. These little tabs are going to go in the bottom, just like that. And it's just going to clip in place. I'm going to take the air deflector. You want to line it up. And just push all the clips in. All right, those are all the way in. You can see all the clips are in there properly. Now I can rehang this on the car. Now I'll take the bumper, line it up. If you want to plug in those side marker lights, you can do that now before you slide it on all the way. Just take the socket and line it up. Push it in, do the same on the other side. And it just slips in place. Make sure to slip it in on the sides and just push. It doesn't pull out, it just pushes. Same with the other side. Make sure this is lined up. Put the screws back in place. Get those started. Snug those down. And if you have those lower push pins or screws, put those in, and then you can do the same on the other side. And take these screws, line these up. Tighten those down. And take the cover, line it up on the bottom, and then snap it in place. Do that to both sides. And take these screws, get these started, and snug them down. And the other screws go on there, and the two sides. Snug those down. You can see on the back side where these are going to line up with those slots. Push it down, and pins are going to line up here, and then slide the clips in. It clips in down there, and then same on the other side. Now we're going to line the release handle up. Once it's in there, we're going to spread this just like this, just so it can line up in the pin, and then we'll lock it down. Slide it through there. There we go. Once you get one side in, it's a little bit easier. Then push down on the clip, and it's locked in place. Some vehicles have a little cover that goes right here. You want to swap that over as well. This vehicle didn't have that.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.